This is the new Apple MacBook Pro with the M2 chip. With a 13-inch screen, it's the smallest, most powerful computer from Apple right now. You can choose this MacBook in various configurations. And in this series, I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from unboxing, specifications, connectivity, demos, and upgrading repair capabilities, to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This is the new 13-inch MacBook Pro, still sealed in the plastic, the latest model from Apple with the M2 chip. Let's first see the specs on the box. Here at the back you have the label with the information. Let's see how powerful is this computer. If we get close to see the label, it is a 13-inch MacBook Pro model A2338. And the specs of this model: MacBook 13.3 SPG with an M2 chip, 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 24 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage, and the keyboard features. To ensure this MacBook Pro was never been opened, it comes sealed in a plastic, and you have to pull this tab to tear it open. We pulled and ripped the plastic, and now we just have to remove the plastic all the way around, which also protects the printing on the box. Now, without the plastic, the computer is ready for unboxing. Let's start by looking what's inside the box. So we lift the lid, and here we have the 13-inch computer. Later we'll measure, see all the connectivity and features. The computer comes protected in a piece of paper, which we are about to remove, but now let's just put it here. In the box there's also a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, because this model does not have a MagSafe socket. We have more stuff here, a little box with information, some leaflets, like the user guide, how it works, the computer technology, features and warranty. And the traditional stickers with the Apple logo. This one isn't black, it's in gray. We'll see in detail later. And finally, we have the charger, which is a USB-C charger to connect this cable. In my case, it has a European plug, but that plug will depend on the country you buy it. It also comes protected with paper. We'll tear it off, but later I will talk about all the specifications of this transformer. Nothing else comes in the box, and we can close the box for now. Let's take the paper off the computer to reveal the beauty of this computer. Just pull the tab and the paper comes off easily. Here's the computer, sidereal gray with the Apple logo. So in the box we have a MacBook Pro, we have a USB-C to USB-C power and data cable, a power transformer for charging, some flyers and the stickers. That's all that comes in the box of this 13-inch MacBook Pro computer with the M2 chip. And now let's look at the computer, the MacBook Pro. Let's see it physically, and later I'll go into detail about all the specifications. So it's all aluminum. It has a 13.3-inch screen with the Apple logo on the back of the screen, which is no longer backlit, but it looks like a mirror, which looks really nice. On the front we don't have any connectivity, which we can open with just one finger, which we'll test it later, because it has that special touch from Apple. On the left side of the computer we have the USB-C connectivity, two USB-C, Thunderbolt 4 or USB 4 plugs. It does not have the MagSafe connection for charging. On the right side of the computer there is only one connector to connect the headphones, and there is no more connectivity on the computer. There's nothing on the back either. If we turn it around, here on the back, the part that rotates to open the screen, we can see some openings, which are for the ventilation of the computer to cool it down. On the bottom, let's turn the computer to see. It has printed the product information. It has 4 rubber feet to place the computer on the table. It can be pushed, and the aluminium body does not scratch the table, nor does the table scratch the computer, because it is all aluminium with 4 hard rubber feet. It is screwed with very small Torx screws. Therefore, it is a computer with little connectivity due to its size. The other models have more connectivity, as I already shown in unboxings of other MacBook Pro models. Let's turn on the computer. We place the computer on the table, and as expected, we should be able to lift the screen with just one finger. So if I pull the screen in this slot, I can lift the screen and open with just one finger. So let's see what it's like inside. We have a 13-inch screen that doesn't seem to be anti-glare, but it is a XDR Retina display. This 13-inch model has a touch bar and also has Touch ID on the power button. It has a QWERTY keyboard, common in portable computers. It has a very large trackpad. It is super silent and has very vibrant colors. But later I will explore all the details, all the technology and the physical characteristics of this computer. This was another video about the 13-inch M2 MacBook Pro, but there will be more videos about this computer, from unboxing, specifications, connectivity and demos, to know everything about this computer, and you can decide if this is the best computer for you. But I have on the channel other MacBooks M1 and M2 with different specifications if you want to compare other models. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.